Okay?
Nope. This is hot chocolate.
Here are cheat sheets.
This is dark chocolate. This is hot chocolate. Yes, it is just dark chocolate.
Okay. Go ahead. Read number 3. I do not want you guys worrying about which type of text structure it is yet. All I want you to do is read it 2 times for me. Number 3. Guys, if you're forgetting for your quick write, girls, I have my quick writes over here for you. Take your 4 quick writes. Don't do any answer choices because we're going to talk about it when we're done. Well, that's okay because this is practice. We're going to talk about it. Okay.
Wait, now I do, yeah.
Hold on. So I'm going to still think in my head, if it is nonfiction, it's always going to be organized by topic. What's the topic? These are all of my details, and then we'll talk about, well, what's the main idea. As I'm reading, I should be thinking in my head with my cheat sheet, okay, is it being put in order, sequence, first, next, then, or chronological? It's giving me dates. Is it comparing 2 things, how it's alike or different? Problem solution, cause and effect, those are so hard because you guys want to say that they're the same thing. Not every cause and effect has a solution, right? When it's icy out on the roads, I slip and slide. Is there, there's no solution to that, so that's just the effect of me driving on the ice, but not in my sentence. So, problem solution, typically there's one big problem, and how is it being solved? Cause and effect, there are multiple causes and multiple effects. So, what's my topic? It's giving me a bunch of information, a bunch of details about what, Maddie?
About, no, I was asking something else.
Okay, hold on to that.
But which one was the dates one?
Well, sequence and chronological order, we're going to talk about the difference. Remember we talked about chronological order, I can put on a
I
timeline.
think I know what the difference is.
Okay, Lily, what's my topic? Okay, yeah, so it's a specific event that the Sons of Liberty did, right? A specific something that happened. Okay, give me a detail about that event. Joshua, put the rubber band up, please. Aviana?
At last, once the news completed their mission, they fled, removed their costumes, dismissed the night.
Okay, I'm going to put that down here. At last, the men fled. But that's not telling me the event yet. EM?
They went to the Boston Harbor where 3 British ships were docked. Each ship had a shipment of tea.
So group went to Boston Harbor, okay? What happens when they get to Boston Harbor? Okay. Next, they dumped the tea. What happens after that? Guys, come on. Lily? They went to the Boston Harbor. Next, they dumped the tea. Is there anything that happens before and last the men fled? Okay, so if you're looking at your green sheet, would you say that it's being put in order from first, next, then? Or chronological is, can I stick all of these onto a timeline with a date? Compare and contrast. Could I fill out this organizer? Is this event saying how something else is alike or different to another event? Cause and effect. Is it saying when this happened, then this happens? Or because this happens, so then this happens? Well, none of your notes even say that. And problem solution. Well, even though this was a problem, is it showing us that we have a solution in our text? So how did the author organize their text? Are you ready?
Oh.
Look at your ABCD. Ready? 1, 2, 3, show me. You got it. You got it. Okay. Is it sequence or chronological? Which one would be my best answer?
Sequence.
Yeah, it's sequence. It only has one date, so I couldn't have put it on an entire timeline. Right? We're gonna do one more, number 4.
So chronological order is numbers.
Chronological order is like our timeline on our back board. Can I put it? So I was born in 2005. I went to first grade in 2010. Then I rode my first bike in 2011. Right? It's got to have specific dates and years. Sequence. What's the sequence of putting together peanut butter and jelly? Right? So how you see how you're doing it in a different order? Okay. All right. Read number 4. Time. Do not select any answers yet. Thank you. Incredible pressure. But it's a good thing.
Absolutely. That's a good pressure.
Yes, it is.
I can imagine what a pupfish looks like. I think it looks like a puppy that has
Okay, you ready?
No.
You're not giving an answer choice yet. All we want to talk about is what are our topic and what are our important details. Okay, Lily, what's my topic?
Pupfish.
Okay. So every detail you give me should relate back to the pupfish. Max?
Pupfish are up to 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches long.
Okay. All right. Ian?
They were called devil's pupfish.
They're called, they live in Death Valley National Park, are called Devil's Hole Pupfish. Okay, so it's giving me a name. All right, Maddie?
They can live up to 112 degrees water.
Can live up to water that gets up to 112 degrees Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
Warm. Okay. Aviana, one more.
Some are able to hibernate in mud during the winter. Oh, and there's another one.
Okay, Josh.
That pupfish can flip from one small pool to another. I have one.
All right, so from one small pool to another. In your own words, think, well, how would you describe a pupfish? Nope, hold on, just think. I'm thinking, this is how it's being described, what it looks like. This is how it can live. How it can live. What it does to live. This is how it can be described by name. So what is it giving me lots of details about the pupfish? What is it telling me about the pupfish? Look at your answer choices. Are there answer choices down there that you don't know the words? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look at the ones I do know. Are there any details that support the words that I know? Then that might be my answer, okay? If there are words that I don't know, and the ones that I do know, they don't work out for me, then it would have to be that answer, okay? So take a look, pupfish. For what, honey? What do you mean?
Like say, if that, does that go with that one? Does that go with that one? Does that go with that one?
I mean, you can have a post-it note if you need. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and have us choose though. You ready?
I thought the pupfish has like a puppy head on top of a fish.
All right, ready? 1,
No.
2, 3, show me. Yeah, my answer should be A, adaptable.
Oh, I thought it was adoptable.
Okay, so let's take a look at our other answer choices.
Adoptable. No, they're not.
B, artificial. If I said that the juice box that I drink has artificial grape flavoring. Artificial, what would be a synonym for that? Fake. Overpopulated.
Too many of them.
There you go. Graceful, full being my suffix.
That means that they're also.
Yeah, I might describe like a ballerina being very graceful if she's able to do her moves very nicely. Adaptable, cover up the ABLE, my suffix.
They can adapt to the warm waters.
You're exactly right. They are able to adapt to their environment. All right, we're only going to do one more. Go to number 7. Number 7.
I feel like dirty water, they can adapt to dirty water.
But are they like but they also a sticky note down here for the heading, and now I know what it is.
Who did?
When I opened to the book, you know how the sticky note is supposed to cover up the heading?
Uh-huh.
There wasn't a sticky note on here.
On which one?
On
Did I not maybe do the first one? Does it say page 4 through 5 on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, still put your details down for that one.
Okay.
And then we won't worry about the heading.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's my topic? It's giving me all details about what, Aviana?
Plastic.
Plastics. Okay. So tell me a detail that supports plastics. Lily.
It floats, so animals are
Okay, so where does it float? Okay, it floats in water. So animals can eat it. Okay, give me another detail about plastics. Max.
Endangered sea turtles gobble up plastic bags and balloons because they look like jellyfish.
Oh, that's
Eat plastic bags.
That's it.
Okay, one more, Joshua.
On that, sometimes blue whales get covered up and stuck in plastic, like Burger King.
Okay, Amadeus, you okay? You're good? Do you have your paper that goes with your article? Go grab it. So now, tell me what you know about plastics. What can you say in your head? Think about what word would describe how the plastics are acting. Now look at your answer choices. I would say that you know all of those words. Okay, hold on to that. All right, you ready?
Can we get 2 for this one?
You may get one. One and none. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, show me. Yeah, so this one, mislead. What's the prefix in mislead? Miss meaning to not. They lead them in not a good way. So
Oh wait.
the animals think that the plastics are actually food, but it's very misleading that they don't actually work that way.
Sorry, did you get it? Not.
Rubber band for me.
Miss Howard,
Mhm.
when you say plastics, I keep on thinking of the Mean Girls and the number 8, the plastics thing for food.
Give me